guys, this is Chase at Ceramic Pro Nashville, and behind me we have this beautiful 993 generation Porsche 911. This client came in, brought us this vehicle to do a full color change wrap in PPF. Wanted to change up the color and also get the added protection of the paint protection film. So lots goes into this process. This car is a full bulk install, so no pattern kits on this car. Everything is custom cut by hand. To ensure that we get the most maximized coverage as possible. There's a lot that goes into this prep wise, making sure the paint is perfectly deconned before we start, clay bar, all that good stuff. And then as I mentioned before, everything is bulk installed, so we cut every edge long. That way we can ensure we get full coverage, wrapping every edge possible, making this thing really look like paint when it's done. Beginning, we bring the car in, we get it washed, nice decon wash. After that, we bring it inside, get the whole car clay barred, make sure everything is nice and clean, and then we start the tear down process. So on a car like this, we take apart everything we possibly can without the risk of damaging anything, considering this is an older car. So on this particular car, door handles, headlights, taillights, the front bumper guards and lights, and as well as the rear bumper guards all get removed. So that we can get the most coverage possible, truly making this look like a paint job once it's done. This client did opt out to have some black accent pieces to kind of go along with the car. I think it looks really well, kind of makes the purple pop even more. This is a good example of what a quality color change PPF job is going to look like, and what you can expect from us here at Ceramic Pro Nashville.